Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class 2, today we are going to learn the life science unit number 6, and the topic is fruits and seeds. The topic is fruits and seeds, from the book Amazing Science 2 by Oxford. Fruits and seeds. A fruit is made from a flower. A fruit is made from a flower. Fruits. A fruit is made from a flower. There are many kinds of fruits. Now you can understand that a fruit is made from a flower. यानी एक flower से fruit बनता है, and there are many kinds of fruits. The number one is, some fruits are soft and juicy, like orange, mango and plum. Some fruits are dry and hard, walnut, peanut and almond. These fruits are dry and hard. Seeds are made inside fruits, and some fruits have a few seeds. Some fruits have only one seed, and some fruits have many seeds. Some seeds are made inside fruits. जो seeds हैं वो fruit के अंदर होते हैं, and some fruits have a few seeds, and some fruits have only one seed, and some fruits have many seeds. Like apple has a few seeds. Watermelon have many seeds. Watermelon has many seeds. And mango has only one seed, and the papaya has many seeds. So you understand that some fruits have a few seeds like apple. Some fruits have many seeds like watermelon and papaya, and some fruits have only one seed like mango. Seeds. Some seeds are dry and hard. Some seeds are dry and hard, and some seeds are very small. Some seeds are very big. So there are three types of seeds: dry and hard, very small and very big seeds, like mustard seed, wheat, maize, peas, peanuts and watermelon seeds. Now let's read about the parts of a seed. A seed has a hard seed coat, and the seed coat protects the seed. There is a tiny hole in the seed. Air and water go into the seed through this hole. There is a mark on the seed, and this is the point where the seed is joined to the fruit. Inside the seed are seed leaves and a baby plant. The seed leaves have food in them. You can see a seed has a hard seed coat. This is the hard seed coat. You can see the picture of the parts of a seed. A seed has a hard seed coat, and the seed coats protect the seed. And there is a tiny hole. You can see this is the yellow part of this picture. This is a tiny hole in the seed, and air and water go into the seed through this hole. And this is a mark on a seed. It is a simple mark on the seed. And this is the point where the seed is joined to the fruit. This is the point where the seed joined to the fruit. Inside the seed are seed leaves and a baby plant. You can see this is a seed leaf and this is baby plant, and the seed leaves have food in them, and seed leaf has food in them. So this is the picture of a bean seed. So some seeds have 2 seed leaves and some seeds have only 1 seed leaf. Some seeds have 2 seed leaves. You can see there is only 1 seed leaf. But some seeds have 2 seed leaves and some seeds have only 1 seed leaf. Seeds with only 1 seed leaf, wheat and maize, and seeds with 2 seed leaves, peas and beans. When the baby plant inside the seed grows into a new plant, when the baby plant inside the seed grows into a new plant, it takes food from the seed leaves. And we read it before that the seed leaves have seed in them. So the baby plant inside the seed grows into a new plant and it takes food from the seed leaves. Growth of a seed. A seed needs water, air and warmth to grow. You can see the seed growth of a seed. And a seed needs water, air and warmth to grow. Now we have exercise work which is on your page number 37. The question number 1 is write the names of 3 soft and juicy fruits. Write the names of 3 soft and juicy fruits. The first one is tomatoes, second one orange, and the C is grapefruit. So write these 3 names on your book. Question number 2 is mark the number of seeds in the fruits. These are the names of fruits, and here are the options: 1 seed, a few seeds and many seeds. We have to take the correct answer. Peas have 1 seed? No. Peas have a few seeds, and other option will be cross. Mango has 1 seed, so take under the 1 seed and cross the other options. C. Orange. Orange has 1 seed? No, so mark as cross. And orange has few seeds? Right, so tick under the few seeds and cross in the many seeds. Number D is apple. Apple has 1 seed? No. So mark the nishan, mark cross under the 1 seed, and fruits a few seed. Apple has a few seeds, so take under the few seeds and cross under the many seeds. You just tick under the correct answer and other will be crossed. Plum has 1 seed, so tick under the 1 seed and other will be crossed. Papaya has 1 seed? No. Few seeds? No. Many seeds? Right, so tick under the many seeds. Watermelon has 1 seed? No. Few seeds? No. Watermelon has many seeds, so tick under the many seeds. Now we have the question number 3, and the question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Number A line is seeds are dry and hard. So you have to write this work on your book. Seeds are dry and hard. Number B is a seed has a hard dash core, a hard seed core. Number C is air and water go inside the seed through a tiny hole. So write hole in line C. Inside the seed is a baby plant. So write plant. E. A seed needs water, air and warmth to grow. What a seed needs? Water, air and warmth. So you write warmth in the blank space. Now come to the next page, which is page number 38 and the question number 4. And the question number 4 is draw a seed and label its part. And label its part. So you have to draw a seed and after that label it like this. A mark which is whole. The outer cover is seed pod and the seed leaf, and this is the baby plant. Now we have question number 5. This question should be done in your copy, in your purple type copy. So the first answer the following question. The question number A is what is a fruit made from? And the answer is a fruit is made from a flower. Number B is where are seeds made? Seeds are made in the ovary of a flower. Number C is what is inside the seed? A baby plant is inside the seed. Number D is why does a seed have a tiny hole? Air and water go inside the seed by this tiny hole. Question number E is how does the baby plant inside the seed get its food? And the answer of this question is the baby plant gets food from the seed leaves. The baby plant gets food from the seed's leaves. So students, our today work unit number 6 has been done now. So you have to learn this unit, learn answer and questions and the book work also. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.